a nice little morsel. Got a little weight to him. I think I can reel him up, hopefully. Oh, he got weight to him. Sheesh, he got weight to him. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes, cover your eyes. Relax, buddy, relax. Sheesh, I wish you would just relax. There you go. Just a little morsel. Beautiful fish. Perfect dive. Right down. He was kind of nice, this guy. You can see him there. My camera don't fall out. I mean, my light don't fall out. I think I can reel him up. Yeah, I can reel him up. Oh yeah. A little weight to him, but he ain't that big. Trying to keep that right in his eyes. Okay. There you go. Beautiful little guy. Oh, perfect. And the bass, baby. Not that big, I don't think. It doesn't seem that big. I think I could reel him up. Yeah, I got him. About 25, I would say. 24, 25. Yes, sir. That's my release bag. I think he's good to go. Yeah, he's good. Well, he's a little guy, I think. No, he ain't that little, but... He's a Remy outsize. Another one that's not that big, but can fucking weight to him. Jesus, I can't get over how heavy these fish are. I don't know, maybe what, 25 the most? Heavy as hell. Okay, buddy. Looks like he's been caught before. I wonder if I caught him already. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Perfect dive. Give you a 10 for that one. Shit. I think I got another wear me out size. Nah, it ain't that bad. He got a little weight to him, but he ain't that bad. Oh. he's good to go. There you go. You're gonna be good to go, I know that.